So my name is Shraddha and I'm your yoga trainer. So today what we are going to do, we are going to do a yoga. I'm going to teach you yoga. You're going to see me and then you're going to copy me. Okay? So what all things will be there? We'll be doing concentration techniques which helps you in your studies. Then we are going to do meditation which helps you to be a active student in your schools, in your family. Okay? And we are going to do few physical exercises which keep your body fit. So we always start our class with the prayer. So I want you all to sit straight. The way I am sitting, sit straight. Your back should be straight. Rolled back your shoulders. Join your hands together and close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes, children. Now we are going to do clapping. How? It is 1, 2, 3 and clap. Which position? This. Take your hands in front. Inhale. Yes. Take a deep breath in. Just look at me. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. Make a sound. In, out. Now take your hands up. 1. Inhale. 1. Inhale. 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 Now just go down. Try to touch your palms to the ground and then walk in front and hold here. Stay here and look in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly raise your hands up and then down. Release your legs now. Now legs in front. Okay? And sit straight. Shoulders rolled back. And concentrate. Just concentrate in front. Look in front. Your eyes will not move. Just concentrate in front. Again, inhale and exhale. What we are going to do? Come in Namaskar Mudra. Join your hands together. Take it on your head and then straight up. And here we are going to breathe in. So while breathing, what will happen? Your lungs will come out like this. And while exhaling, it will come to normal position. Okay, continue. Now spread your legs. All of you spread your legs. Bend down. And look in front. Hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. So hands on shoulder length. Now we are going to bend down on the same side. So right hand and right leg. Bend down. Again look up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Keep your hands on your shoulders. Rotate. Legs together. Rotate your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep Keep a distance between your legs, hands on your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Now we are going to bend down. Just join your legs and drop your hands down. Come on, go down, drop, 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 go down, go down, go down. Go down and relax. We are going to place your hands on the back and just slide backward bend. No one will bend down, do not cross your limits. So bend down slowly and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Come on, sit down. Very nice. Very good. Very good. So we are going to practice it now. So how we are going to practice? We are going to sit straight as we are sitting at the time of the prayer. We are going to keep one hand on our abdomen. So this is our abdominal area. We are going to keep here. Sit straight and just inhale and take your stomach out. And when we exhale, take your stomach in. Your complete concentration will be on your stomach area. And continue with it. Do not move. Control your hand movements. Just concentrate over your breathing. So it is happening, like while inhaling your stomach is getting out.
Yes, ma'am. If we breathe inside means our stomach is coming outside. If we breathe outside means our stomach is coming inside.
Yes, very nice. Yes. And now next practice we are going to do, we are going to keep one hand on your chest now. And now while inhaling, our chest will expand completely. Now we are going to do one simple pranayama, which is known as Brahmari Pranayama, which is very good for your studies purpose. It is very good to release the stress of your studies. Okay, so the technique is that you are going to insert your thumb in your ears. Like I have weared my headphones, so I can't insert it. So you are going to insert both the hands, okay? Both the hands, thumbs of both the hands in your ears. Thumb in your ears, 4 fingers on your eyes. You are going to inhale, or you can just, if you are having earphone, just press it. Okay? You are going to inhale. And while exhaling, you are going to make like this sound. Okay? Yes, right. And concentration will be on that noise. Okay, stop, all of you stop and slowly open your eyes. Now for next 5 minutes, we are going to concentrate at any one place. So you can select any one point in front of you. It may be a pen, it may be a bottle, it may be a flower, or it may be any part of your house in front of your eyes, and just concentrate at any one point.
Can it be any object?
Anything. It is just that you need to concentrate. It should not be a doll, because if dolls and chocolates are in front of you, you are not going to concentrate on it. Am I right? It can be anything. It is just like you have to concentrate on it. Do not blink your eyes much. Like if it is having pain, itching or anything, just blink it for 1 to 2 times and then again open it. Okay? So before starting this, what we are going to do, we are just going to blink our eyes 10 to 20 times. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and start. No one will move anywhere. not even a finger. Just be completely concentrated. Place your hands on your knees. Your palms will be facing upward. We are going to sit in the meditation for 5 minutes where you're just going to sit quiet. Because if one will talk, all will get disturbed. So in meditation, we always need a concentration. So disturbance is not allowed for next 5 minutes. Do not move your hands, do not move your legs, sit in a very comfortable position so that you can sit there for the next 5 minutes. So sit straight, back straight, neck straight, eyes closed, hands placing on your knees. And just keep quiet. The breathing should be normal. And just observe your breathing. Now in your mind, I just want you all to imagine a red rose. Just imagine a red rose. Just feel that it is so beautiful, a red rose. And then imagine a garden of a red rose. A red rose's garden. It is just very beautiful. Just imagine. Continue imagining the red rose. Okay, very good. Now just join your hands together. Join both the hands together in Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath in and chant Omkar with me. Om. We are going to chant it 3 times. So repeat after me. Om. Inhale. Om. Om Shanti. 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 All of you just rub your palms together. Place it on your face, on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. So whatever I have taught you today, you all are going to practice it daily. Are you all going to promise me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So whoever wants a good marks in your studies, whoever wants a good behavior at your home and school, and whoever wants to grow up in their life, this 3% should do yoga regularly. Thank you all.
Ma'am,
Thank
class
you
is
so
over?
much. Yes. You
Ma'am,
want more?
I enjoyed really. It was a very fun class.
Okay. Thank you.
And bye.
Bye.